Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel. Just to change the ringtone volume, you should swipe this blue dot to the left or to the right side with your finger. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then here you will see the three dots here, and by the same way you can just swipe this volume panel and to change the ringtone volume, and then just click here to down to save the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.